Hey everyone, I hope everyone had a fun and safe 4th of July. It's been a while since I've shown my face, so I just wanted to quickly pop in here and share with you guys a little at-home decor haul and also some hacks. So I was recently at the store at home and I came across these decor pieces that really caught my eye, but they weren't quite the color that I wanted. So I went ahead and picked them up anyway, brought them home and did my own DIY. I did not record myself doing this DIY since it was just a really simple, easy step, and I'll show you guys exactly what I did. So we're gonna get started with piece number one, and it's going to be this bowl, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looked like before on here. I did a little clip of the store shopping. And so this piece here, as you can see, was like a golden silver color, and I loved the size and the actual shape of it. It kind of reminded me of those Pottery Barn, West Elm, Crate and Barrel type of accent bowls, and so that really caught my eye, and for the price I thought it was perfect. So I brought it home, and I already had a black matte spray can from Home Depot, and I went ahead and just did 2 coats over it, and that was enough. Now you can probably see a little bit more of the silver around here, so maybe I should do like a 3rd coat, but this was only $19.99. And you really can't beat that, because something like this at Pottery Barn will probably cost you over $50. Crate and Barrel has one for almost $70. And I'm telling you, the size it's big. It's a big bowl. And the material, it's very durable. I've dropped it twice in my back patio when I spray painted it. It did not dent, it did not scratch. It's been very durable. So this is gonna be going in my living room. I have some custom built-ins that I have in there, which I still haven't finished decorating, and I'll show you guys a little clip right here. I'm still working, it's a work in progress, but this is going to be going there, and I just love the way it looks. It's the perfect size. It is not too small. It is just perfect, and I'm very happy with this purchase, and of course obsessed with the DIY and how the transformation came out. So if you guys are looking for a similar piece, I would suggest you run to your local at-home stores and pick this one up for only $19. Alright, and for the second item, I came across this one here on the same aisle further down, and I love anything that is this color and kind of just like abstract. So this really caught my eye. I did not have to do any type of DIY. I think it's perfect the way it is. It's kind of like a bronzy, you know, like unfinished look, and this one was $24.99. If I can get my camera to okay, there it is, it focused. It was $24.99, and this is also going to be going in my built-in in my living room. And now that I think about it, I should have bought 2, because I wanted to put it in the middle shelf and then have one like up higher. I also thought of maybe putting it here in my game room behind me, behind these on these shelves right here. So I still don't know. I'm gonna go work around it, but I definitely love this piece. For the size, it's super heavy as well, and I am just loving. They had a lot of these, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna go pretty quick. So if you like this piece here, I suggest you go to your local at home and pick this one up today. Now, I didn't record the whole entire store, because if you guys know, at home it's just such a huge store. They have so much selection of everything, and it was just way too much. I don't think I was gonna be able to record the whole entire store. So I just really focused on stuff that really caught my eye, and maybe stuff that you would like. A lot of people like to look for these vessels, and they had tons of these in different colors and shapes. They come in different textures. It just had a very, very beautiful collection. A variety, different types that you can pick from, sizes, and they have it all right now. The store was pretty much stocked up compared to other times that I do visit the store. So I was over in the kitchen aisle, and so I came across this beautiful black board. Now this one here was $19.99. And I think it's worth the price. It is super heavy. It's black just the way I wanted it to be, and it has like a very beautiful kind of like marble look finish to it. I'll zoom in and see if my camera can focus. There you go. You can take a closer look, and I am loving this little brown knob that it has here. So definitely this is going on my kitchen counter right behind my stove. And so it's going to pair well with the one that I currently have there, because I have a tall, skinny black one that I purchased from Home Goods. And so I'm just going to pair this one along with it, and I think it's super cute. I love the shape of this, and I think I had already shown this one in a different haul, because I did purchase this one a long time ago, but I don't remember if I included it in my haul or not. But they still had these if you guys are looking for something similar. This is one that's still on there, and so a lot of them were chipped and cracked, and those of course are discounted. So if you are looking to spend a little bit less money, definitely grab one of those, and they'll discount more than 20% off. Now over in the dinnerware aisle, I came across these cute little bowls that I am obsessed with. Now these here were $2.99 each. And I grabbed a few of these. I just like them. They're perfect for like when I do some type of meal that includes dipping or maybe some like salsa in here. And I am loving the pattern and color on these. I thought they were super adorable, and they are really matching my new dinnerware that I purchased from Walmart, which I'm going to be having a haul pretty soon. But I'll give you guys a little sneak peek so you guys can see and let me know if that matches together kind of. So I got these mugs from Target. I love the little gold handles on here. And I got these bowls as well. And I also grabbed a few more items from Walmart at a really good price. So I'll be doing a haul pretty soon. But yes, I found these bowls and I love them. Like I said, I grabbed a few. These were $2.99 each. And these were the only patterns that they had. So this one here and then this one here. So they also had like the larger bowls, the plates and all that, but since I had already purchased that at Walmart recently, I am loving the ones I got from Walmart. So I only got these from at home. All right guys, and here I'm just showing you a little bit more of what they had in their aisles. If you're looking for some nice candle holders, these black ones here were really pretty. And like you see here, they have a much more decor pieces, so much to choose from. And I'm just gonna keep showing you in the next few seconds, and then I'll share the rest of the pieces that I picked up. Guys, another great find were these beautiful, pretty looking ceramic vases. I am in love with the texture. Now these, I totally forgot to record when I found them on the aisle. I think I just got super excited. and grab two of these because they did come in two different sizes. So I grabbed the large one and then the smaller one. I am just loving these little things. It's like it has the perfect texture at the bottom. As you can see here, it's kind of like distressed. It feels bumpy, and so the color was a white and then like a tan color down here. So I did my own DIY, and again, I did not record myself doing this DIY because I did exactly the same thing as I did on this other piece that I purchased, or not purchased, that I got from my parents' house. It is a vase, and I'll link the video up here and in the description box in case you guys want to go check that out and see the process of how I did this. So that is one reason why I didn't record myself, because I didn't want to do it again for a DIY that I had already done in the past. I did the exact same steps, followed everything as you're going to see in that video. So basically all I used was, again, the black spray can that is a matte black, and then I used some dirt from my backyard and basically coated it with some clear spray. Again, that video is in the description box. I will link it there so you guys can go check that out. And this was white and the bottom was like a brownish color. So I am loving the combination of this being a smooth surface and this being a very rough, distressed looking surface. So again, I purchased two. This one, oh, I don't have the prices. If I'm not mistaken, this one was around $30. And then the bottom one, maybe I'm gonna say $24, but it's not a bad price, because if you are looking for something like this at a high-end store, you're definitely gonna pay at least $60 just for one. So this is basically a plus, a bonus for me. I scored on these two. I am loving these, and I'm using these in my console table. I'll show you guys here in a minute. I just placed one over some books and then the other one right next to it. So I plan on getting maybe some like dried branches and then also styling it with branches here. I like to change up my decor once in a while, and I'm constantly doing it. So for now, they're going in my console table, and I just love the way both of them look together. If you pair them like this, they are perfect. And I'll let you guys get a closer look so you guys can see all the details on these vases. They are so pretty. I am just obsessed the way this DIY turned out, and I'm obsessed with the piece itself. I just love the size and the shape of it. So if you guys have a patio, or if you're just thinking of maybe changing up your furniture, they have a huge selection right now. They have tons of different styles, as you can see here. I didn't record all of it. This is just kind of what you see at the entrance when you first enter the store. But I love the styles that they have, and the pricing were pretty reasonable. You can choose from different styles. So definitely the place to be if you are trying to renovate your patio. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.